Here we go. Hey YouTube. Got Bdub, DK. We're gonna tune up this Stihl Fs91R. All right, tell them what we got, Brandon.
We have an Echo Speed feed head. 400, and we have a service kit.
All right. Go ahead and open that up. Wait, let me see. All right, take the air filter cover off first, right here.
Okay.
I'm about to.
You want to keep these bolts with you so you don't lose them. So you can put this.
I know, and loosen this one. They'll come off together.
I do not want to fall. I got my blanket.
Got an air filter, spark plug, fuel filter.
This is how we sit in the gym.
This one needs to be loose the hair more.
Alright, pull that off.
And then you just keep your bolts in there. Set that to the side.
Instructions.
Now, wait on that, son.
Okay.
Alright. Take that one out. Set it to the side. Put your new one in. Now put your cover back on.
Okay.
Be careful you don't get no dirt on there. Alright, I'll get you. Make sure it goes in the hole. No righty tighty. That's left. Do this one a little bit. I want to tighten them even. Alright, snug them up, don't put them too tight. Alright. Alright, grab your that steel tool.
Okay.
Alright. Take that bolt out.
The important thing is, if you lose your bolts, you
What, Brian?
if just try not to lose your bolts, because if you lose your bolts, that'll be bad. Because you can't put the thing back on.
All right. Make sure that's loose. Put that on and take that plug out. No, turn it that way. Loosen it. There you go. And now take it off. Now unspin it with your finger. Alright, set it to the side.
Put that in there.
Alright, here, I'll set this one in there.
You don't want to mess it up and then have to restart.
Strip it out. Alright, switch that to make it tighten. Alright, put that on there. I'll just snug it. Wait. Alright.
Okay.
Place that. Alright, now your top cover.
Put this back on. I'm going the wrong way.
No, go right, other way.
Wrong way.
Just snug it.
Okay. Alright.
Alright. Fuel filter. I'll do this one. Back up. This one. Sometimes spray. Okay, run there and get my flashlight for me.
Go, 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 go. So what are these things called? And I'll tell them the tools you need.
Just hold on.
There you go.
I'm gonna say this. You will need this.
Just hold on. Let me get this out. Yeah, hold it right there, brother.
I already know where you're gonna have to hold it. Put me in this too.
Put it back in there.
You good?
Yeah, we're good with that.
I need a flashlight.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my
Just
phone
hold,
up.
hold on. Brantley, turn it on. Alright, where is... Brantley, he can talk, son, it's fine.
Oh. Hey,
All it is a YouTube video.
hey, watch out.
Alright,
Watch
tell them
out.
what we got done with.
We got done with the service
Right
kit.
here.
Really do
Make
it
sure you
quick.
get it in the camera.
We got done with the service kit, so now we will switch to putting the Echo Speed Head 400 on.
Dad, can I do a quick trick?
Do a trick.
Let's go.
That's a nice trick, son.
Oh, let me do a cartwheel.
Do a car wheel.
Awesome.
We got our athlete over here.
Alright.
He does this to the camera. Okay. Start.
We'll put this. I'll just leave it on.
Okay. I will open this real quick. Do we need this part out?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Put that out. Oh yeah, we do need this.
Alright, just hold tight.
Okay.
I'll get it on there. And
Boom. Should go on the front. Are you twisting it the right way?
Oh, feel how quiet this is.
What you got, brother?
He just had cannons. He's gonna shoot us. Oh no. Oh no. Did we do something wrong?
No, that head comes with different fittings.
So we got the wrong fitting?
No, it just...
What at a time lapse?
I'll see that.
Try this one. Like this way. Or that.
Well, I don't know what fitting will fit. I had another speed feed head on another Stihl. I'm not sure why this one's not threading on.
Oh, there's a helicopter. There's two. And one over there. And over there.
Hold on.
Can't this cut you?
Yes.
Yeah,
Go
okay.
fast enough.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna put my hand on that because I don't really feel it. Go to the hospital.
No, you don't have to. Whoa! I didn't even have to go to the hospital with it.
7:19 midnight.
7:19.
No, I'm joking.
Whoa! I thought it was a Monday night. I thought it was a Saturday night.
I'm surprised.
I mean Sunday night.
Yeah. Did what? I mean, you could think that.
I know what I did wrong.
What'd you do?
I can
Oh,
take that
YouTubers.
fitting. I can take the fitting from the old Stihl head, put it in this. That's what's wrong. Alright. Quit now.
Okay.
We gotta
How do you take it apart?
wait.
Take it apart.
See them two knobs right there? That knob,
Oh, okay.
that knob. Watch out, brother.
We're sorry that you've been waiting, but now we have fixed the problem. Hopefully we fixed the problem. Because we haven't, we'll have to go to the store.
Oh God. We're not going to the store at 7
A different day.
We're not going to the store at night at 7 o'clock.
Broke the thing.
Oh God.
Wait. Here we go. Yep, that was our issue.
Okay, good. We have fixed the problem. We are sorry that we've had you waiting.
Daddy'll get it sooner or later.
Yeah.
It's not coming out. It's not coming out.
What is it?
It's a myth
Oh,
that
sure.
if you swing a bottle like this, and water won't come out if you swing it fast, but if you do it
It's a
slowly,
myth?
yeah.
There are a lot of myths in this world, DK. A lot of them. If this thing don't quit falling off.
I took this video on floating.
You want a piece of this YouTube video?
Mom. We have fixed it.
Oh, this is what we do at school with Colin
Yeah.
and the baby.
Yep.
Alright.
What are we doing
We
now?
fixed it. Now we
Believe
just
we
gotta
got it
put-
on now. Alright, yeah, we'll put that in here in just a second.
We will put the wire on. The wire.
The trimmer line.
The trimmer line. Sorry, trimmer line. And then patch it all back up, and that'll be the end of the video. Once we get this on.
Daddy, I want to say hello.
Well, tell them, brother.
Say hey.
Tell them.
Hello.
Tell them, hey, I'm DK.
I already said it.
It's good.
But this is what you have to do. This is something to knock out somebody.
Alright. We will keep this steel trimmer head as a spare.
Just in case anything
Boys.
messes up.
Just in case.
That's
I
right.
don't
Alright, I'll keep all these extra fittings. Alright, done with the tune-up kit, speed feed head. We will, hey, y'all hold all them tools.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna say.
I'll hold them over.
Here, I'll say. I'm gonna say what
Wait,
you
Caden, come here.
need.
Tell them what you do when we're done. What do you do with your tools?
You put them up.
They're putting up the tools.
These will be all the tools that you need.
This one.
You will need that.
I want to show them all.
Okay, no, I'm gonna show this one.
Yes.
Oh, I need the flashlight.
This.
No, leave it right there, Brantley.
Oh,
So the last one.
Watch out. And you will need a 5. What's it called?
spark plug socket.
You will need a, what is it?
It's a 5/8.
A 5/8 spark plug socket. And you will need one of these. Now that is all your tools that you will need to fix this.
Do not
That's right.
do that.
And hold them, make sure it's even. Pull them. Pull them towards you, make sure they're even. They both even?
One's just about taller.
Now pull them tight. Like even? Well, keep them tight.
Yep.
Alright. Alright, last,
But not least,
we will give it a start up, make sure we're good to go.
I'm gonna say.
Alright, one of y'all want to do it?
sure.
I'll do it.
Turn your choke knob on,
Which way?
push it in and push it up. And turn it up. This way. All the way, it'll quit. There you go. Prime it 2-3 times.
1, 2, 3.
All right, now hold it pretty tight. Pull it up. Hold. No. Pull it tight. Fast. Fast. All right, let me try. No, I got it.
Oh no.
Alright. Give him a good ending, Bdub.
Okay.
Make sure they see you. Get on your seat.
Oh.
Come here. Tell them what we did real quick. Tell them we got started.
We did it started. We put a new spark plug and a new
Air filter,
air filter,
fuel filter.
fuel filter, and we put a new head on. And stay tuned for the next Right Deftar Outdoors video.
Tell them bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.